Hi everyone, it's me Hinzaiman again, and today I am going to show you something that I have ordered from Daraz. And I actually have got many packages here. If I show you, so I am not really sure what's the inside in what package. So I am just gonna open randomly, and then gonna show you what I ordered from where. Guess what? So I need to show you where I ordered it from. It's from Daraz.pk, and it's on Daraz for 195 rupees. And these are only
No, not this one. It's
No?
12 piece.
Okay, no, I'm sure they're on. Yeah. So I ordered from Daraz.pk. It's of rupees 127, and there are only 12 pieces. So you can there as well. And now I'm going to show you the nails.
The instructions they told: do not use acetone nail polish remover, do not soak nail in any polish remover, use cotton to remove polish, and
One thing which is
etc.
important that this didn't send any glue or something.
You can read it from here. Here we have got this.
हमारे तो खैर बहुत ही गंदी वीडियोस बनाते हैं, मुझे तो बनाने वाली नहीं है।
ये तो पता नहीं क्या ना देखना ये व्हाट्स दिस ओके it's good, even the quality is good. It's a little big on my thumb. We have to use the other one. Yes, it's defaulted. You can see the shape is not fine. ज़्यादा हो गया
चलो नेक्स्ट
ना बिग नहीं लेना ने किसके लिए लिए